Are you having trouble with the Airplane Maps app that is not working on your iPhone? This issue can prevent you from accessing directions, searching for locations, or even loading the map properly. It could be caused by connectivity issues, app bugs, or software glitches. Don't worry, this guide will provide you with guaranteed solutions to get your Apple Maps app running smoothly again. Solution 1. Check location services settings. Apple Maps may not work if location services are disabled. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services. Make sure location services are turned on, and scroll down to ensure Apple Maps has access to location services. Set it to while using the app. Solution 2. Clear Apple Maps cache. Corrupted data may prevent Apple Maps from functioning properly. Open Settings, scroll down, and tap General. Tap iPhone Storage and find Maps. Tap Offload App to clear the app's cache without deleting user data. Reinstalling the app from the App Store if necessary. Solution 3. Turn off restriction. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Screen Time, scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn this on. Find out location. Set this to allow changes. Enable location service. Solution 4. Update iOS. Outdated software can cause app issues, including with Apple Maps. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install to update your device. Solution 5. Reset network settings. If your issue is related to connectivity, resetting your network settings can help. Open Settings, scroll down, and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. After resetting, reconnect to Wi-Fi or cellular data and test Apple Maps again. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Apple Maps app on your iPhone and get back to navigating without issues. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.